Welcome to this complete Malaga, Spain travel guide. Nestled in the heart of the Costa del Sol, Malaga is a city where history, culture, and cuisine collide in a symphony of experiences. In this guide, we'll journey through 13 of Malaga's must-see attractions, from the artistic mastery of the Picasso Museum to the buzzing energy of a Tarazana's market. We're set for a whirlwind tour of this Andalusian gem. So, without further ado, let's dive into the beautiful city of Malaga. First up, immerse yourself in the Picasso Museum. A tribute to the city's most famous son, Pablo Picasso, this museum is a treasure trove of his iconic works. Born in Malaga in the late 19th century, Picasso's artistic legacy is deeply woven into the city's cultural fabric. From his early sketches to his later masterpieces, the museum showcases Picasso's remarkable breadth and evolution as an artist. So, prepare to be captivated by his revolutionary vision. A visit to Malaga is incomplete without a stop at the Picasso Museum. Next, step back in time at the Alcazaba. This palatial fortress from the 11th century is a testament to the Moorish reign in the region. With its intricate designs and lush gardens, it's a beautiful example of Islamic architecture. The Alcazaba stands on a hill, offering panoramic views of Malaga City and the Mediterranean Sea. Imagine sultans of yesteryears gazing out at the same view. A visit to the Alcazaba is akin to stepping into a living history book. The Alcazaba is a must-see for history buffs and architecture enthusiasts. Now, wander through Malaga's historic center. As you meander through the labyrinth of narrow, winding streets, you'll be greeted by the intoxicating aroma of freshly brewed Spanish coffee wafting from quaint cafes, and the delightful sight of local artisans displaying their crafts. The center is home to a multitude of independent boutiques, vibrant tapas bars, and fine dining restaurants that serve the best of Andalusian cuisine. Every corner is steeped in history, reflecting the city's rich cultural heritage and its architecture. Amidst the hustle and bustle, the sound of Spanish guitar and flamenco music adds an enchanting rhythm to the air. It's a place where traditional Spanish charm and modern lifestyle blend seamlessly. The historic center is the heart of Malaga, pulsating with life and Spanish charm. Next, visit the iconic Malaga Cathedral. This grand edifice, standing tall in the heart of the city, is an embodiment of centuries of history. Its construction began in the 16th century, but don't let the incomplete tower fool you. The cathedral is a masterpiece in every sense. The unique blend of Gothic, Renaissance, and Baroque architectural styles is a sight to behold. Each stone, each carving whispers tales of a bygone era. The cathedral holds a special place in the hearts of the locals, symbolizing their religious faith and cultural pride. Featuring an impressive collection of religious art, it's more than just a place of worship. The Malaga Cathedral is a testament to the city's rich history and religious heritage. Now let's switch gears and stroll along the Malagueta beach. Nestled in the heart of the city, this beach is a gem in Malaga's coastal crown, known for its golden sands and azure waters. It's an urban beach, a stone's throw away from the bustling city life, yet a world apart. It's the perfect spot to soak up the sun, feel the sand between your toes, and let the Mediterranean breeze whisk away your worries. Transitioning from the beach to the world of art, we have the Carmen Thyssen Museum. Housed in a beautifully restored 16th century palace, the museum is home to a remarkable collection of 19th century Spanish paintings, including works from the Romantic and Andalusian traditions. It's a testament to Spain's rich artistic heritage, offering a visual feast for art lovers. Whether you're a beach lover or an art enthusiast, Malaga has something for everyone. Next up, explore the Gibralfaro Castle and relax in the Malaga Park. Perched high above Malaga, the Gibralfaro Castle stands as an emblem of the city's rich past. Constructed in the 14th century, this fortress offers a captivating glimpse into the region's Moorish history. But it's not just the castle itself that leaves visitors spellbound. The breathtaking panoramic views of Malaga from the castle's ramparts are truly a sight to behold. After a journey through history, it's time to unwind in the Malaga Park, or Parque de Malaga. This urban oasis, brimming with exotic flora and fauna, provides a tranquil retreat from the city's hustle and bustle. Here you can take leisurely strolls along verdant pathways, admire beautiful sculptures, or simply sit back and enjoy the serenity. Whether you're a history buff or a nature lover, these two destinations offer a delightful blend of the old and the new. From ancient castles to lush parks, Malaga truly offers a diverse range of experiences. Now let's enjoy contemporary art at the Centre Pompidou Malaga and visit the Automobile and Fashion Museum. The Centre Pompidou Malaga, an offshoot of the famous Parisian museum, is a beacon of contemporary art. Here you can immerse yourself in an array of vibrant exhibitions, each one a testament to the creative spirit of the modern age. From thought-provoking sculptures to captivating installations, the Centre Pompidou offers a refreshing delve into the world of contemporary artistry. And then, we shift gears to the Automobile and Fashion Museum. This unique space marries two seemingly disparate worlds. Classic cars and haute couture coexist in a stunning display of style and engineering prowess. From vintage Rolls-Royces to extravagant Dior gowns, the museum showcases the parallel evolution of automobile and fashion design. It's a nostalgic journey back in time, wrapped in the sheen of elegance and sophistication. Whether you're into contemporary art or vintage cars and fashion, Malaga won't disappoint. Next, explore the Muela Uno shopping and leisure complex and visit the interactive music museum. Muela Uno is not your typical shopping center. It's a place where culture, gastronomy, fashion and leisure intermingle, creating a vibrant atmosphere. Here you'll find an eclectic mix of boutiques and international brands, alongside a mouth-watering selection of eateries serving everything from local delicacies to global cuisine. But the fun doesn't stop at shopping and dining. Muela Uno also offers a range of leisure activities, making it a perfect spot to unwind and make lasting memories. Now let's march to the beat of a different drum at the Interactive Music Museum. This fascinating place invites you to not just observe, but to actively participate. With a collection of over 300 instruments from around the world, it's a symphony for the senses, offering an educational experience that's as entertaining as it is enlightening. From shopping to music, Malaga offers a wide array of experiences to cater to every taste. Finally, enjoy local and international cuisine at Atarazanas Market. This market is a feast for the senses with its vibrant atmosphere. Stalls overflow with a variety of fresh produce, from locally sourced seafood to exotic fruits. But it's not just about the food. Oh no, you'll also discover unique local products, perfect for those souvenir hunting moments. The sizzling chorizo, sweet smell of pastries, and the hustle and bustle of local life, it's a sensory overload. A trip to Malaga is incomplete without indulging in its culinary delights at Atarazanas Market. And there you have it, 13 must-see spots in Malaga. From the striking artwork at the Picasso Museum to the breathtaking views atop Gibralfaro Castle, we've strolled along the sun-kissed Malagueta beach and taken a step back in time at the historic center. We've indulged in the delights of Atarazanas Market and let our imaginations roam at the Interactive Music Museum. Each location, a unique tapestry, contributing to the vibrant fabric of Malaga. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Malaga. We hope to see you here soon.